Welcome to this strategic review of Toray Group, conducted by HDIN Research. This session will analyze the APG 2025 Midterm Management Program, focusing on value creation and the structural reforms currently reshaping the company's global footprint. Starting with the core thesis, Toray is navigating a complex global landscape by pivoting from a volume-centric model to one driven by capital efficiency. We see three pillars here: resilience through localized production, a target of 5% ROIC, and a significant expansion of the sustainable innovation business, which is projected to reach 60% of total revenue. Toray's historical success stems from what we call the winning pattern. This involves a deep commitment to fundamental research, followed by co-creation with market leaders like Boeing and Uniqlo. By creating high technical barriers, they maintain a unique ecosystem that is difficult for competitors to replicate. However, current headwinds cannot be ignored. Geopolitical shifts, particularly potential U.S. policy changes and trade barriers, pose risks to the bottom line. Furthermore, market saturation in segments like battery separators, or BSF, demands a fundamental rethink of capital allocation. In response, management has categorized the portfolio into four distinct quadrants. While carbon fiber and water treatment remain aggressive growth targets, low-return units like BSF have been moved into the structural reform category, where the priority is asset optimization or strategic exit. Looking at the FY 2024 results, we observe a clear recovery trend. Core operating income rose by nearly 40% year-on-year, and ROIC improved to 4.4%. This performance suggests that the current efficiency measures are beginning to materialize in the financial statements. The Darwin Project is a critical component of this reform. Led directly by the president, it targets fixed cost reductions and asset liquidity. A notable move includes reducing stakes in the Hungarian BSF operations, signaling a shift toward best owner principles rather than just market share. This slide contrasts two different paths. On one hand, BSF is undergoing surgical restructuring due to the global EV slowdown. On the other, the hydrogen business is being scaled rapidly as a pillar for future carbon neutrality, leveraging Toray's expertise in electrolyte membranes. Toray holds a competitive edge in the hydrogen economy. From carbon fiber storage tanks to catalyst-coated membranes in Germany, they are integrating their polymer chemistry across the entire supply chain, positioning themselves as a key enabler for the energy transition. A key shift in HDIN's view is Toray's move towards strategic pricing. By quantifying environmental value and technology premiums, Toray is decoupling its margins from raw material fluctuations, particularly for high-value brands like EcoDeer. Reviewing the fiber and textile capacity, the data shows a highly diversified global base. With over 150,000 tons of nylon and 260,000 tons of polyester filament, the strategy focuses on high-end apparel and industrial applications such as airbags. In the advanced materials sector, Toray remains the global leader in carbon fiber, with a combined capacity of over 63,000 tons. This scale provides a massive advantage in the aerospace and wind energy markets, where reliability and volume are paramount. Toray's intellectual property strategy extends beyond mere patents. By combining patent protection for performance with trademark protection for branding, such as nanoalloy, they effectively extend the commercial life cycle of their technological innovations. Geographically, Toray is adopting a, quote, local production for local consumption model. This includes treating the Greater China region as an integrated strategic core. This localization is designed to mitigate tariff risks and respond faster to regional market demands. By FY 2025, the revenue mix will be dominated by sustainable and digital innovation. Sustainable innovation alone is targeted at 1.6 trillion yen. This transition reflects a deliberate move to align corporate growth with global sustainability trends. To conclude the strategic overview, Toray describes its model through the metaphor of warp and weft. The warp is their unchanging social philosophy, while the weft is the flexible, technological innovation required to adapt to a changing world. Thank you for your attention. For more detailed market research or customized industry analysis, please contact us at HDIN Research via the email provided on the screen. We look forward to supporting your strategic decisions.